All right, today we're going to be looking at an online resource that you can utilize for your embedded assessment 1.2, which is going to be your advertisement for one of the novels that we've read. So this free online resource we're looking at today is called Adobe Spark, and you can find it online at spark.adobe.com. Now, I've already logged in with my account, but I'm going to show you today how to make a post and how to make a video. So we'll go ahead and click on post, and this is going to be for your image, your poster project. Now I have some East High School branding under my account, but we're going to click Start from Scratch, which is where most of you guys will begin. So everything's better with sparkles. I love puns. So down here on the bottom of the screen, we have pick a graphic size. I'm going to go with poster because that is the option you need to select if you're going to do an image. So let's say I want to advertise Lord of the Flies. It will auto-generate for me an image, and I'm going to show you how to manipulate the text, the different backgrounds available to you. So I don't like this text, Lord of the Flies. I'm going to go ahead and change it on the style wheel. So you can change it. I like these block letters. I'm going to move it up a little bit, but this wood grain in the background, I'm not feeling it. So you can change the different filters over here on the right. But even more than that, we're going to replace the background image with a free photo. Now you can upload your own if you have some that you'd like to use. I'm just going to search for, I'll probably search for the word boy, since Lord of the Flies deals with the boys stranded on the island. So I'll let this auto-generate some pictures for me. I'm looking for, oh, this looks pretty cool. A guy with some ashes, maybe, sparks, embers, fire. So now I notice, oh, my text, that color's not going to work. So I'll select my text, come over here and change the color. Maybe something like gold. Then I can also alternate the spacing of the letters. I can change the alignment of the letters themselves. And when you drag, it auto resizes. So I'll use the ruler here to leave it right in the middle. And then maybe I want to add some more text on the bottom. Some kind of alluring tagline like kill the pig, done. So I want to make this smaller. Put it down here on the bottom. And then I would use my persuasive text in the background. So moving forward, what we would do is download this, and then you would identify, well, this is emotional, it's got this allure, kind of avant-garde, like, oh, it's a mysterious book, you really want to dig into this one. Now, you can also change the layout of the text, rewording, add a shape to it if I wanted to put maybe some decorative borders around it. Lord of the Flies. We'll try this one out and see what this text looks like with, let me try this one. Shape. Try decorative shape. Oh, there it is. So I would need to change the spacing. There. Kind of looks like those award show things where it says like, oh, it was best in. You can also adjust the scale. We're going to look at how to create a video post. So I'm going to go back over here and select create a video. So you get to decide what you're going to put in your video. I'm going to put Lord of the Flies one more time. And I'll do a hero's journey template. You've got different templates that you can use. Go with styling, colors, transitions, animations, and that kind of thing. So the best way to do this is to simply insert an icon. Once again, boy, and pick, oh, this guy, he's got some glasses. So put that in here. And if I want to change the layout, say I want to do split screen. So then over here, I can say Lord of the Flies. I can change my music over here. So let's say I don't want happy or playful. I want something like thematic. What about a horror movie? So I'll click that. It'll change the musical background. And then this is a really fun tool right here. All you have to do is hold down the microphone and it'll record your voice. So let's say I want to do that and I'll push this and say, in a world where young men are stranded on a desert island. It will immediately render your voice over the music and you can preview right here. Let's see what it sounds like.
In a world where young men are stranded on a desert island.
So then you can transition to your next slide, okay? And you can add photos if you'd like to. I can go back and add the photo of the boy that we used earlier, or I can add these boys. I can overlay text on top. William Golding. Okay, and then you can transition, you can record your voice again, or you can even interview people about how they felt using testimonial or transfer. And when you're ready, all you're going to do is download the video. So once again, this resource is called Adobe Spark. It is free, and I highly recommend that you utilize this resource. Thanks for watching.